Morning everyone. Good morning my dear students, and hope you all are safe and sound at home, children. So now once again I welcome to everyone in moral science video. And children, this is my last video of this week. Yes, in this video today once again I am going to make you revise the two chapter 1 and chapter 2. Chapter 1, the name of the chapter 1 is God the creator. Yes children, God has created the universe, the sun, the moon, and all creatures of the earth. There are four different kingdoms created by God on earth. These include the mineral kingdom, vegetable kingdom, animal kingdom, and human kingdom. Okay children, and also what and human beings can look different in the color of their skin and their build up, but they all have emotions and intellect and rational soul. So God has created everything. So my dear, and the name of in this chapter you all have seen one story, that is the trusting dog. So you also what we have learned this from this chapter, children? Yes, we should always trust in God, because God is what God always does is the best. Okay, so we should always, whatever God does is the best. So always trust in God in times of difficulty. Also my dear, like a dog, the name, that's why the story name is there, the trusting dog. He always trusts in God, and he also suggests to others, just we should also trust in God. Okay, when cat was in time, the cat was in difficulty, what and dog suggest him, he said, first you just trust in God, pray to God, he will do best. Whatever will be the best for you, he will do the best. Okay children, because Mr. Cat also asked to the dog, do you still trust in God for everything? So he said yes, whatever God does is the best. So he said, I always fully trust in him. Okay children, so same way cat was also in problem. So Mr. Dog said, just pray to God, and he started praying. So what happened? But at beginning, so cat was totally scared, and because Mr. Bear said, just get out from my house. So again Mr. Dog suggested, and he said, when you trust in God, you need not worry, anytime be happy. Okay children, so what, deep in a jungle he saw a notice board. There it was written, looking for a cook with good salary and free boarding. So Mr. Dog at last also said, I have told you, when you trust in God, he does what's best for you. Okay children, so also what you all have seen, we should always trust in God, whether you are in if you are in difficulty, you should also trust in God. We should pray to God, because God is everywhere. We have to trust in God. When we trust in God, God does what's best for us. Okay children, so at last Mr. Cat also got the job with good salary, and he was very happy. So children, now chapter 2, the chapter 2 is name is what, love God's creatures. Yes children, the chapter 2 name is love God's creatures. Why should we love? Yes, we need we need to love and care for God's creature, because love is a special feeling that fills the heart. When you love someone, you treat them with the affection and do little things to make them happy. So children, we should also love God's creatures. At beginning, Rohit thought that nobody loves me, I have no friends, so he was an unhappy child. But when Rohit spent time with the cat, his heart was full of love, and soon Rohit and the cat became good friends, and Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat. Before long, the cat gave birth to 4 kittens, and the Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. So what? And the last children, soon other children also came, other children neighborhood came to play with kittens. Rohit and many new Rohit had many new friend. Now all they played together happily with the kittens. So also we should love God's creatures, because love is a special feeling. So you all have understood these two chapters. Now let's do the work related to these two chapters, that is choose the right option. So where is? Just choose the right option. So let's start, my dear. Dash is the example of vegetable kingdom. There are three options, that is iron, diamond, pumpkin. So tell me, children. Yes, pumpkin. Pumpkin is the example of vegetable kingdom. And iron and diamonds are the example of mineral kingdom. So which is the correct option? Option number C, pumpkin. There you will write pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Pumpkin is the example of vegetable kingdom. Some more example of vegetable kingdom like onion, ginger, tomato, cauliflower, potato, garlic, pumpkin. These vegetables and vegetables are are the example of vegetable kingdoms. Now next, the cat apologized to Dash. So what will you write? Yes, when Mr. Cat broke Mr. Bear's bottle of honey, he was totally scared, and Mr. Dog suggested him. He said, just apologize him. So the cat apologized to Mr. Bear. So option number A is correct, Mr. Bear. Okay, Bear, Bear. The cat apologized Mr. Bear, but Mr. Bear was very angry, so he said, get out from here and don't ever come back again. So what? The cat apologized to, and apologize it means to say sorry to Mr. Bear. There you will write Bear. Option number A is correct. Okay, now third one is Dash spent lots of money for the bringing of the best of honey. Yes, Mr. Bear, there Mr. Dog, Mr. Bear and Mr. Cat. So option number B, Mr. Bear. Mr. Bear spent lots of money for bringing the best of honey. But what happened? Mr. Bear's servant, the cat, he was cleaning the kitchen in the evening, and he fell down and he broke Mr. Bear's bottle of honey, and Mr. Bear was very angry to him because he broke Mr. Precious bottle of honey. So their option number is B is correct. Mr. Bear spent lots of money. Now fourth number, who helps us in problem, children? Do you know? Yes, God. God helps us in problem. So option number A is correct. When cat was also in problem, he started praying, and he prayed to God, and he said, oh God, guide me, protect me and help me in this problem. So what? Who helps us in problems? You will write here God. God always helps us in problem. He always does the best for us. Okay, now 5 number is here, that is Rohit was and Dash child. So children, Rohit was, and at beginning Rohit was an unhappy child. So which is the option number B is correct? UNHAPPY. Unhappy. Rohit was an unhappy child. Why? Because he always thought nobody loves me and I have no friends. So he was an unhappy child. So option number B is correct. Now that is last. Dash came to play with the kittens. So what will you write? What? The children from neighborhood came to play with the kittens. Now Rohit had many new friends. They played together happily with the kitten. So what will you write here? Children, children, children. Children came to play with the kittens. Children came to play with the kittens. Okay children, so these choose the correct option. You will write down in your copy with beautiful handwriting. Now one more work today you all are going to do, that is fill in the missing letter. You all have to fill the missing letter and make a what? Complete word, that is K-I-N-G, king, D-O-M. So there I-N-G, king, D-O-M, dumb, kingdom. Now after that emotions, E-M-O-T-I-O-N-S, emotions. Now after that penniless, P-E-N-N-I, penny, L-E-S-S, less, penniless means having no money. Now protect, P-R-O-T-E-C-T, protect, to take care, protect, to save. Okay, P-R-O-T-E-C-T, protect. Okay children, now after that K-I-T-T-E-N-S, kittens. The cat gave birth to 4 kittens. So K-I-T-T-E-N-S, a baby of cat called kittens. Okay, now after that 6 number creatures, C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E-S, creatures. And next one is your 7 number affection, full of love, A-F-F-E-C-T-I-O-N-S, affection. Okay children, and that is last one is your filling, F-E-E-L-I-N-G, F-E-E-L-I-N-G, filling. Okay, love is a special feeling. So hope children you all will do these 2 words. First choose the correct option and then after fill in the missing letter and make a what? Complete word. Okay children, so hope you all have understood very nicely. So for today once again I would like to tell you thank you for watching this video till in. So have a wonderful day and bye bye you all.